So this is part 2 of my laundry room makeover on an extreme budget using things I already have or thrift store items. I'm just giving you guys a recap of what it looked like. So I'll let you guys kind of catch up on this part, and then I'll talk in just a little bit. So right here I'm doing my second coat of paint. The little closet right here behind me that's going to show up right now, I'm not really sure what color I want to do that door, but I will be doing something. I want that to be like my cleaning, and that's where I want my laundry basket to go in. It's really narrow, but it'll be fine. So this shelf right here, I already had it. It was in my closet. And I'm just taking off these little brackets. And then we cut the wood to fit. I actually used this white one right here. It was in the cabinet I just got from the thrift store for 10 bucks. I just used it. I didn't need a middle shelf in it because I wanted enough room in my cabinet for my laundry detergent bottle thing. So I just used what I have. And these brackets I've had for a while. They're supposed to be for another project for my kitchen cabinets that I haven't done yet. But yep, I'm just using what I have, and it's actually working out pretty good. I will end up probably painting the wooden one, maybe. I don't know. I kind of like it, but it is what it is for now. So obviously I'm not done yet, but I still have to get flooring and stuff, but I don't have money for that at the moment. But right now I'm just using some stuff around my house that I've already had to decorate. I don't want no laundry detergent and stuff out on the shelves. This is like my back door, but it's like our main door that people come in, and I don't want it all cluttered and bottles and laundry detergent everywhere. So I'm just using this, and it might change. I'm not sure yet. It just depends on what I find. But I still need to find me a rug. I need to paint that door, new flooring. There's still a few things I need to do, but this is what it is, and I hope you guys like it. And if you guys can think of anything that I should do with that little closet door, just let me know in the comments. And I have these pictures right here. Obviously, whenever I get a print that I like, I will put them in there, but I'm not really sure what I want yet. So the print that's in both of these is what's going to stay in there for now. Here's one last look at the before, and here's the after of what it looks like right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.